Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running. Here, search in Japanese, Learn Japanese, and let's take a look at this one. So Learn Japanese by Edu Technologies, this one. Before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So Learn Japanese, there, these are the interface, and these are the things that you have to learn. So Learn Japanese, rich family feelings, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Learn Japanese language in categories includes alphabet, numbers, essential, conversation, looking for someone, time tracking, parting, bar, restaurant, and so on. So Learn Japanese with 5 minutes of practice daily with Edu Technologies is the quick fix that will teach you the core Japanese words and Japanese phrases for conversation. So it's done. Let's go ahead and open it, and let's go ahead and start. So these are the things that we have to learn by categories. So alphabet, so this is the Japanese alphabet there. Te as in telephone, to as in Toshiba, ni as in knit. So these are the things that you have to memorize actually. So more apps is where you can download more similar apps like these. And let's go back to, so as you can see, more apps. So these are the apps created by the developers. So I'm not going to install some of the apps in here. Let us focus on this categories in here. So just pick a category, like for example conversation, and then you will have this information. You will have this conversation. So hello, I'm fine, thank you. Genki desu. Do you speak Japanese? Nihongo hanasemasu ka? No, I don't. Iya, Nihongo hanasemasen. Only a little bit. Skoshi dake hanasemasu. Skoshi dake nara ne. Where do you come from? Doko no kuni kara kita no? So there, these are the commonly used phrases and sentences used by the Japanese. So if you want to learn beyond the basics, there are also Japanese grammar lessons available. It's even great for kids. So just go back in here and look for a particular lesson, like this one, looking for someone. Excuse me, is Sarah here? Sumimasen, Sara-san wa imasu ka? Yes, she's here. Koko ni iru yo. She's out. Dikaketa yo. You can call her on her mobile phone. Keitai ni denwa shite mite. Do you know where I could find her? Doku ni iru ka shite iru? She's at work. Kaisha ni iru yo. She's at home. Jitaku ni iru yo. So there, just use this to communicate with the Japanese. And this one here, if you go to the menu, you will have this options, recommended apps created by the same author. So you want to learn other language as well, they also have that. So just tap the download button and it will be installed on your phone. So let's know, and then let's try to check. So there's nothing much in here in the menu. This is actually an applications, similar applications created by the same author. So home page, this is the home page. So these are the things that we can access. As you can see there, just access and then memorize it. Try to use it as you go along with your Japanese friends. So in case of trouble, so can you help me, sumimasen? Choto ii desu ka? I'm lost. Michi ni mayotte irun desu. What would you like? Nani ni shimashou ka? What happened? Doshita no desu ka? Where could I find an interpreter? Tsuyaku wa doko de tanomimasu ka? So these are the useful phrases and sentences that you can use while you're staying in your Japanese friends, or if you're visiting your relatives in Japan. Use these words to communicate with them and to also avoid embarrassment situations while staying in Japan. So just this application is really handy and useful. Just pick a topic and you'll be able to communicate. Just use the words in here that you can see. So English meanings and the Japanese meanings, use it and you'll be able to communicate properly. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.